ever tried those strange health tips? The actual notice of well-being tips infers the normal thoughts: drinking boiling water, staying away from low-quality nourishment, dozing on schedule, etc. In any case, these are the ordinary ones and are done to death. No, we are not saying that these are not viable any longer, they are. But let us see well-being tips that are offbeat. Tips that may appear to be illogical to you, even entertaining. They might be peculiar well-being tips yet really valuable. The accompanying tips are very bizarre, however they are valid and can assist you with improving your well-being. Here are the strange but true health tips that really helpful. Number 1. Need to rest better? Simply drink coffee. Do you realize that it's undeniably true that having some espresso before a snooze leaves you awakening invigorated? Ordinarily, we as a whole realize individuals take espresso to keep them from resting. Yet we presently realize it is fabulous to have some espresso before that 20-minute snooze. The manner in which this works is fundamentally straightforward. It requires around 20 minutes before the caffeine in espresso will attempt to keep you alert. Caffeine works by eliminating the adenosine particles in the mind, which is a result of activity. The more the adenosine levels, the more exhausted we become. Having that little rest gets out the adenosine. Additionally, with caffeine drops the impacts of adenosine, which thusly augments the effect of the snooze. Number 2. If you want a healthy teeth, don't brush after eating. It's anything but prudent to brush your teeth following a feast. It is one of the most exceedingly terrible activities. Your teeth, particularly subsequent to eating acidic food sources like pop, citrus natural products, and tomatoes. This is on the grounds that acidic food sources contain substances that can harm, relax to enamel. Hence brushing following the admission of an acidic food attaches the mileage impact of the corrosive on your finish. You ought to try not to brush your teeth for at any rate an hour after a meal. At this point, your mouth would have gotten back to its healthy pH. Number 3. To wear a more modest size, put on weight. Putting on weight, for this situation, is alluded to as muscle weight. A straightforward delineation is that of two ladies who both weigh 150 pounds. One lifts the weight, yet the other doesn't. All things considered, the woman that lifts weight will find a way into garments with a more modest size than the other. With a similar rationale, a 150-pound lady that lifts weight would fit in a similar fabric size of a 140-pound lady who doesn't work out. This is on the grounds that a pound of fat occupies more room than a pound of muscle. When muscles supplant your fat, you will get more modest, which means garments with a more modest size will fit you. Number 4. To eat less, eat more. Is it accurate to say that you are somebody who accepts that eating a little parcel of chips or pretzels or a small cut of cake won't influence their eating routine or mischief their weight? However, these sweet and pungent bites just make you hungrier and you wind up eating more as the limited quantities of carbs spike your blood sugars and leave you hungry. Thusly, it is fundamental to have a protein-rich tidbit or dinner, for example, paneer tak or lentil soup. These might be higher in calories, however the nature of utilization turns out to be less as the protein and fat assistance you satisfy hunger quicker and feel more full. Number 5. Tired? Stay away from energy drinks. You have worked yourself out, and you are presumably drained. Swallowing in a container of energy drink may be the following thing at the forefront of your thoughts. In the event that you should know that caffeinated drink will exacerbate you and simultaneously influence your well-being. Energy drinks additionally accompany negative results like a quick heartbeat, anxiety, and irritability. Energy drinks contain multiple times the measure of caffeine in espresso alongside different energizers like taurine. These fixings just increment glucose, giving you that buzz of energy yet for a brief time frame. The glucose level then, at that point, crashes down, returning you to the starting point, which is drowsy and tired. Number 6. Feeling swelled? Drink water. Drinking heaps of water can help at whatever point you feel swelled. Drinking water will keep your stomach-related framework moving. Water blends in with the substance of your stomach-related framework, forestalling blockage simultaneously and simultaneously keeping you hydrated. Hydration additionally assists with calming swelling brought about by drying out. Number 7. Stop diet soda if you want to lose weight. A significant number of us think drinking diet soft drinks can help us cut our calories and get more fit. This is anyway false, as diet soft drinks can put one at a higher danger of weight acquire. Examination has shown that overweight individuals who drank diet soft drinks ate a bigger number of calories from food than the individuals who drank standard soda. A concentrate from the University of Texas additionally uncovered that diet soft drink consumers had a 70% more prominent expansion in midriff boundary than non-consumers all through 10 years. Number 8. Feeling hot? Drink hot. Investigations have shown that taking a hot drinks on a summer evening can assist cool you off faster than a cold drink. How accomplishes this work? When you ingest a hot refreshment, your internal heat level is expanded, and this prompts an increment in your perspiration creation. The resultant chilling is because of the dissipation of the perspiration from your skin. Number 9. Exercise when you're tired. Envision following a long tiring day, and you are going to rest, however somebody advises you are practicing will give you energy. What might be your reaction? Are you joking? That's the reaction. You will feel more invigorated after you work out. Studies have uncovered that fatigue alongside mindset and despondency improved following a solitary 30-minute moderate exercise meeting. Practicing will help you work all the more effectively and capacity intellectually. Number 10. Want to improve your brain power? Keep a diary. Composing on our PCs and cell phones is normally agreeable, advantageous and efficient, yet do you realize that there are mind-boosting gains when we compose with our hands? At the point when you compose with your hands, the pieces of the mind answerable for intuition, memory, and language are activated. This implies that you are bound to recall those words you composed than those you composed. We are not saying composing is awful. However, here and there we should hand compose our notes, as it can help support our mental ability emphatically. Handwrite notes to help your brain power. Number 11. Smelling apples and cucumbers. Indeed, eating apples and cucumbers is useful for you. However, shouldn't something be said about smelling them? Ends up, a whiff can help limit sensations of claustrophobia. Milestone research directed at the Smell and Taste Treatment and Research Center in 1995 found that smelling a green apple or a cucumber can change your view of room, causing spots to feel bigger than they really are. Curiously, the smell of grill smoke, tasty as it very well might be, has a contrary impact, and causes rooms to feel more modest. Number 12. Sleeping with socks. As indicated by the NSF, you'll rest better if your feet are warm. Warming cold feet causes vasodilation, expansion of the veins, which may tell the cerebrum that it is sleep time, the specialists note. After the veins open in the hands and feet, heat is reallocated all through the body to plan for rest. Number 13. Daydreaming. If you're someone who frequently loses precious time to daydreaming, you may think you're wasting time. But in reality, daydreaming is a sign that your brain is active and well-equipped. A 2012 study published in Psychological Science found that people with wandering minds tend to have higher degrees of working memory. What's more, a 2017 study published in the journal Neuropsychologia showed that those who like to daydream have more efficient brains. Number 14. Doing nothing. In a general public that fetishizes working deep down, setting aside some effort to do literally nothing may appear to be an exercise in futility. Yet, in all actuality, it's by and large the inverse. Truth be told, ongoing exploration has discovered that isolating yourself from day by day concerns and investing energy in calm reflection and thought can improve well-being, mental soundness, and self-awareness. In addition, 2014 examination out of INSEAD recommends that doing nothing is significant for inventiveness and advancement since it gives the psychological space to think of new experiences. Along these lines, don't feel remorseful about doing nothing the following time you get the opportunity. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe for more updates.